I wanna show you how to resize automatically images in Premiere Pro. Let's go! As you can see, I have already added some images to my timeline, but we have some images that don't quite fill in the frame properly. A common method to fix this issue is by right-clicking on the clip, then choosing either the scale to frame size or set to frame size. But the problem is, if the clips have different aspect ratio, then you need to manually adjust the scale and position of each clip. That takes a lot of time. There is a faster method to do everything. Go to the effects and write Auto-Reframe. Drag the Auto-Reframe effect to your video clip and it will automatically resize to fit within your sequence frame. But in case if you wanna apply the effect to multiple clips, just select all clips and drag the Auto-Frame effect to all of them. Just in 1 second, every clip that you have already highlighted will be resized to fit your timeline perfectly. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.